Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we bring you the most honest and thorough beauty reviews. Today, we're diving into a wig that promises style and ease. Beauty Forever 13x4 Pre-Everything Lace Frontal Glueless Wig with curtain bangs. This wig is marketed as a premium, ready-to-wear option made from 100% human hair. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, this wig boasts a loose wave texture that gives you that soft, bouncy look without the hassle of styling. It's made with natural human hair, which, as we know, is key for achieving a more realistic and manageable look. But does it really stand out in terms of comfort, ease of wear, and overall styling potential? Let's get into it. The main features here are pretty solid. You've got a 13x4 pre-plucked lace frontal, which gives you plenty of room for parting. This design aims for a seamless blend between your natural scalp and the wig, making it easier to achieve that scalp-like look. It's also pre-cut, which means no worrying about cutting lace, which is always a plus, especially if you're a beginner. And of course, it's glueless, meaning you can pop it on and go without any of the fuss. Now onto my real-world experience. I tried this wig for a few days and incorporated it into my daily routine. The first thing I noticed is how lightweight and breathable it is. I didn't feel like I had to constantly adjust it or worry about it slipping off. The loose wave texture is as advertised, natural, soft, and voluminous. If you're someone who wants that effortless beachy wave look, this definitely gives you that without needing to style it yourself. The curtain bangs were another highlight. They are soft and fluffy, adding a nice, flattering frame to the face. I love how they make the wig feel current and trendy while still being understated enough for everyday wear. If you have a rounder face like me, the curtain bangs give you some lift and dimension without overpowering your features. In terms of application, the glueless design made it super simple. I'm no pro when it comes to wigs, so I really appreciated how easy it was to throw on without needing any glue or adhesive. The pre-plucked hairline made a noticeable difference in the natural appearance. I didn't feel like I had to do a lot of work to make the wig blend with my natural hairline, which is always a relief. As far as performance goes, the wig held up well throughout the day. There was minimal shedding and no tangling, even after wearing it multiple times. I did give it a little extra care, but nothing too complicated. A quick comb through in the morning and I was good to go. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: natural look. The pre-plucked lace frontal and curtain bangs create a seamless, realistic appearance. Easy to wear. The glueless design and pre-cut lace make this wig ideal for beginners or anyone looking for a no-hassle installation. Soft, bouncy texture. The loose wave texture offers volume without being too heavy or high maintenance. Versatile style. The curtain bangs are flattering and can easily transition from casual to more dressed up looks. Cons: density could be a little higher. While it's marketed as 150% density, I personally think a bit more volume could elevate the overall look. For someone with thicker hair, it might feel a little flat. Limited styling space. The 13x4 lace frontal provides decent room for parting, but if you're someone who loves a lot of styling options, you may find the limited parting space restrictive. Can require extra care. While this wig doesn't shed much, you still need to treat it like natural hair to maintain its longevity. Now for the big question, value for money. This wig is priced in the mid-range for human hair wigs, and considering the quality, it's fair. The fact that it's pre-plucked, pre-cut, and glueless makes it a great choice for those who want a quick and easy look without sacrificing realism. The quality of the human hair is solid, and as long as you treat it with care, it should last a decent amount of time. In terms of alternatives, there are a few options out there that offer similar features at different price points. If you're looking for something a bit more affordable, brands like Outre or Freetress offer synthetic alternatives with similar wave patterns and bangs, though they won't give you the same natural feel as this human hair wig. To sum it up, Beauty Forever 13x4 Pre-Everything Lace Frontal Glueless Wig delivers on ease of use, realistic styling, and comfort. It's great for those looking for a natural, versatile wig with minimal effort. If you're a beginner or just need a no-hassle wig that's ready to wear, this one's a strong contender. Is this review helpful to you? If so, Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this wig, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts and experiences. Are the curtain bangs your favorite part too? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.